Assalamu alaikum. Today we participated in the World Cleanup Day and we cleaned up the MUSANAH Beach. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بمناسبة اليوم العالمي لتنظيف البيئة 2024 سنقوم إن شاء الله بتنظيف هذا الشاطئ وهو شاطئ في مصنعة وشكرا جزيلا. The organizers of this cleaning campaign is the Environment Society of Oman, Oman Sail or Sea Oman, and the Barcelo MUSANAH Resort. This is the Barcelo MUSANAH Resort. The campaign program is included in this poster. And the location of the MUSANAH Beach is in the Barcelo MUSANAH Resort, and it is 56 minutes from Burj Al Sahwa Muscat and 17 minutes from Lulu MUSANAH. We are now arriving to MUSANAH Beach. And this is the meeting point. And Jawlat Amir is also in the meeting point. This part shows the guidance and instructions by the
ورحمة الله
organizers.
وبركاته. صباحكم خير ونور وسرور. أول شيء أشكر مدرسة الشرس لتلبية دعوتهم ومبادرتهم معنا في مشاركة بحملة التنظيف هي في أسرع وقت ممكن وتكون أثر طيب من بعد هذا اليوم ونستمر للعام القادم إن شاء الله بنتائج طيبة وننقل هذه الثقافة للمجتمع بشكل عام. وبسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ونبدأ. يلا خلاص.
This is how the beach was before the cleaning started. هذا هو وضع الشاطئ قبل التنظيف. Bismillah, and this is now the start of the cleaning campaign. Great efforts by the volunteers and the participant. Thank you very much. And Jawlat Amar also participated in the cleaning of the beach. You can see here some of the collected waste and garbage. This is how the beach looks like after the cleaning. السلام عليكم مرة أخرى. هذا الوضع بعد التنظيف. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Thank God the beach now looks clean and is also safe from hazardous debris and waste. And the beach looks very beautiful. Even the sea crabs seem to be happy in a clean beach. It was a very good opportunity to meet new people in this cleaning campaign. الحمد لله رب العالمين. قبل قليل انتهينا من تنظيف شاطئ المصنعة وشكرا جزيلا Once again, thank you very much to everybody